Hey, you're watching Big Lou Barbecue and other things I want to do. I'm Big Lou, and this is what I want to tell you. That I recently built my very own drum smoker from a 55-gallon barrel and a kit from UDSparts.com. The kit had everything I needed to build my very own drum smoker, including a really cool 1440 steel charcoal basket and all the other accessories to make a fully functional, working UDS, or ugly drum smoker as a lot of people call it. Also got some other parts from UDSparts.com, most of them made by drum techs, like these really cool caster mounts, and I got a hinge too. I put it all together. It didn't take long. It was really easy. See, there are some instructions on UDSparts.com. You download the PDF and it tells you exactly where to put the intake and exhaust dampers and how high to put the grill grate. That's what you need to make the drum work well. Then after that, the accessories like the tool hanger and the bottle opener and the flagpole holder that I got and lots of other things go wherever you want to. There's some suggestions, but you can put them wherever you want to. It's your very own drum. I followed the instructions. I measured where I needed to measure. I drilled where I needed to drill. Then I painted it, and then I put it together. Guys, it wasn't hard to put together. Most smokers you buy at the box stores come in little boxes and you gotta assemble them anyway. This one though, I got to design. So once I measured and drilled and painted, all I had to do was put it together, and it was easier than assembling a lot of the grills you'd buy at a box store. Ugly drum smokers work great. I love to use them. This is the second one I've built, and I want to tell you, it worked really well with this complete Ugly Drum Smokers kit from UDSparts.com.